Hello there, my name is Omkar Sharma. Welcome to our channel The Health Wish. In this video, we are going to talk about the ingredients of tea burn. It is very necessary to be fully aware about the materials used in making that thing that you are going to consume. You cannot just buy anything online and just start taking it. So, if you are going to buy this tea burn, then watch this video till the end. Tea burn contains well-known compounds. However, getting the same quality from the market is difficult since each batch of these components is subjected to third-party testing to ensure that buyers get the highest quality of the supplement. Here is the list of some ingredients of tea burn. So number 1, Alkene. This amino acid is often found in tea and mushrooms. Alkene in its purest form may improve mood, cognition and metabolism. It is also known to assist with anxiety and oxidative stress. It aids to detoxifying cells and renewing the body when combined with other extracts. Number 2, Coffin. Coffin is widely utilized to revitalize the mind and body. It aids in weight loss by increasing metabolism. It also aids to effectively processing sugar, allowing users to live longer, fortifies and DNA and keeps the telomeres reduction. Number 3 is green tea extract. Contains several oxidation antioxidants and combat oxidative stress and free radical damage. It has metabolism boosting qualities and aids digestion and fat burning. It improves efficiency by recomposing it, fewer fats and more muscles. Number 4, Alkene. This is the most significant element in tea burn since it assists the body in converting fat into energy. All of the extra fat and the body has stored for years may be burnt for energy. It is also used to boost memory and cognitive abilities. It also increases energy levels, allowing user to stay active and energized throughout the day. Number 5th is coffee extract. It aids to blood sugar management and the prevention of insulin resistance. Coffee extract might provide a lot of energy during time of fatigue. People who exercise often consume it. It is supposed to reduce stress and thereby minimize the risk of depression. In obese people, it enhances brain functions and proper weight control. Number 6 is Chromium. Chromium is very beneficial to diabetic insulin resistance. It improves blood sugar level and aids in the removal of excess fat from the body. It promotes a healthy body composition and quick metabolism. When combined with other nutrients on the list, Chromium adds in fat burning while also keeping the DNA fresh. Tea burn has a plethora of additional powerful and efficient vitamins, minerals and amino acids. They may boost health, metabolism and digestion while the body continually eliminate fats. So now you are well aware about the ingredients of tea burn. So if you want to try this tea burn, then make sure to click the link in the description. If you order it today, then you can get 30 days of supply of this tea burn for a simple one-time fee of $49, and they are giving you 60 days, 60 days of money back satisfaction guarantee as well. So if you don't like this tea burn or if it doesn't work for you, you can just return it within 60 days of buying it. And if you use the description link to buy this tea burn, to check out this tea burn, you will get 75% discount and you will save $148. So it is a good deal. So if you want to try this tea burn and you want to get 75% discount, then click the link in the description and like the video if the information I given to you was informative to you. Comment down below if you have any doubt regarding this tea burn. You will get the solution as soon as possible, and subscribe this channel for more genuine talks like this. Take care and I will see you in a bit.